Good evening, hello, and welcome to the News Network. This is Subham Roy, and let's have a look at the news headlines. Parliament approves repeal of farm laws with voice vote on first day of Parliament winter session. The farmers are protesting since 26 November 2020. The borders of Delhi have been witnessing a huge agitation being carried out by farmers. New COVID variant found in South Africa. The new strain is deemed a variant of concern. WHO names new COVID strain as Omicron and classifies it as variant of concern. Moderna CEO warns world may need new vaccines to fight new variant. Center extends existing COVID-19 guidelines till December 31st. The game of blames continues in Uttar Pradesh ahead of 2022 Assembly election. Aam Aadmi Party slams Yogi government over Dalit family killing to stage protest across UP. BSP chief Mayawati also slams UP government over law and order after murder of labourer family in Prayagraj. AIMIM to contest 100 out of 403 assembly seats in UP polls 2022. A Times Now opinion poll projects BJP may retain Uttar Pradesh with 240 of 403 seats. While in the opinion poll, the Samajwadi Party is predicted to finish as a distant second with 119 to 125 seats. Admiral Hari Kumar takes charge as new Indian Navy Chief. Mr. Hari Kumar became the 25th Chief of the Naval Staff. No free treatment to those not taking COVID precautions, says Kerala Chief Minister. The Delhi High Court refuses to entertain plea to ban Salman Khurshid book Sunrise over Ayodhya. Now it's time for a short break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.
अपने घर में अपनी बीवी से चोरी कर रहे हो तुम। हर रोज लगता है कि इससे ज्यादा नहीं गिर सकते तुम, बट यू प्रूव मी रॉन्ग एवरी सिंगल टाइम। ऐसे देखती हूँ ना तो सब लगता है कि मेरी वजह से हुआ। यू लिसनिंग टू मी? मेरी तरफ देखो एटलीस्ट।
ये है आम जिंदगी।
साहब वो हाथ से फिसल गया साहब। नहीं
ये है मेंटोस जिंदगी। मेंटोस दिमाग की बत्ती जल।
Welcome back to the show. Now we'll talk about our today's special news that Parliament has approved to repeal 3 farm laws. It's a big news at the moment. Parliament passed a bill to repeal the 3 farm laws via voice vote on Monday. The first day of the winter session, Agriculture Minister Nagendra Singh Tomar placed the farm laws repeal bill in the Lok Sabha. Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary demanded a discussion on the bill but was disallowed by Speaker Om Birla. In a television address to the nation on Guru Nanak's birth anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that government will repeal the 3 farm laws. Modi appeals to protesting farmers to call off their agitation and return home as he called for a new beginning. Opposition claimed that it should have a healthy discussion before the parliament passed the bill. Let me tell you, it started in the middle of the pandemic when people were sitting in their homes and central government called a session of parliament and the 3 new agriculture bills were put forward in Indian parliament. In spite of the protest against the ordinances, they were presented in Lok Sabha on September 14, 2020 and the first and second ordinance were passed in Lok Sabha on September 17, 2020. The third bill was passed in Lok Sabha on September 15, 2020 and in Rajya Sabha on September 22nd. Bills finally received President's approval on September 27. After presidential approves of these ordinances, farmers disapproved of these bills turned into a protest and thousands of farmers started protesting. The farmers are protesting because they think that these laws are clearly in favor of big retailers and a big threat to the farmers and existing farming procedure and practices. These bills are just a means to increase the business and profitability of the big traders, says farmers.
पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है। इस महीने के अंत में शुरू होने जा रहे संसद सत्र में, इसी महीने में, हम तीनों कृषि कानूनों को रिपील करने की संवैधानिक प्रक्रिया को पूरा कर देंगे। साथियों, मैं आज अपने सभी आंदोलनरत किसान साथियों से आग्रह कर रहा हूं, आज गुरु पर्व का पवित्र दिन है। अब आप अपने अपने घर लौटे।
The breaking news we are getting right now is that the Omicron variant of COVID-19 has entered in India. We will be back again next week. Till then, stay home, stay safe.